So if you guys, if you guys don't know what kind of car I got, y'all gonna see. There it is. So yeah, I'm in a 2015 white Camaro. It looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's just stick shift, so I'm gonna fucking die, dude. Guys, driving stick is fucking hard. Hey, but I made it past second gear though, so hey, it's just fucking hard. Like parking, reverse, like just. The last time I drove a manual was when I had a buggy. I don't know if you guys know I had a buggy before, but that's different. This is like more smoother, more complex. It's like, come on. I'm still practicing. I have work in 3 more hours, but I don't think I'm gonna take the car. This is way too risky. I have to keep practicing. But yeah, so far so good. This brand new Chevy Camaro, all white. I like it. Hey, now I know how to drive this shit. Hey. Gonna go to work, guys. Now it's different. Now that I got this Camry, this Camaro, but I'm gonna take the streets just to be safe, because you never know. I'm still brand new to this shit, but yeah. Is that a Ferrari? That has to be the Lambo. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
He's gonna steal your car.
Okay, guys, gonna go to work. I'm like really happy with this car, but I don't like showing off. Okay, maybe just a little bit, but yeah, I'm like really happy. Remember, like I said, stay positive, because even though my car, I love it, I'm not gonna like sell it. I'm gonna fix it, give it to the agent, but it's gonna stay fixed. Just this car right now is gonna be my new baby, so I have to treat it with respect and everything. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just like really happy, but thankful and blessed about this shit, because oh my god, I'm just like, I can't even get speechless right now. So I can't vlog and drive because it's a stick shift car. Since it's stick shift, I can't vlog and drive no more like I used to with my other car. So yeah, gonna go to work, and I'll see you guys in like 6 hours. You ain't got the juice like that. I'm so scared drinking this inside my car. Probably won't drink it because I'm too scared. It's not worth it. So yeah, I got juice it up. It's right there sitting like a little kid. But yeah, so far I stalled once. How embarrassing. But it's all good. Second day driving this car, and I'm getting it. Chill. You can't be like, oh, pressure me and shit. Like, I want to get my windows tinted, but probably on my birthday I'll probably get them tinted. If not sooner. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Damn, now this is a truck. Woo.
By the way, it's very
Getting settled. Big ass fucking truck.
my bed. What the heck? It's my bed right there.
Oh, that shit's dope. Oh,
Nice.
that party dope. That shit looks nice.
Okay, I'm asleep.
God damn, that shit looks crazy. Fuck. Me and the bass car. My car and bass car, we're matching. I could be recording like this and then watch it fall and shit. Steven watched the car and then, oh, there goes Jerry. This is the first time watching the car. You don't like it. We matched, Jay. White. What is he doing?
I think he's trying to
That
race
ass though.
you. He's trying to race you.
I'll lose. Back at Costco again with Jay. We call each other to match because I'm like, but anyways, we're gonna get car seats for my carrito. You like my car, Jay?
Yes, sir.
Does that make me look hot? I might buy this, but I don't know. It's not convincing. How much is it? I can't even read the sign. Whenever you want. These car seats are so small. Let me see, try and sit inside, G. I think it fits. It might be perfect. Dude, that seat though. That fucking. Nah, it's too small. They don't have anything there. Costco does not have the cost lows for that. But we're gonna go to O'Reilly's. The sucky thing about driving a manual car that you don't know how to drive yet is parking far as fuck so no one can hit you. But oh, what the? For example, look how fucking far we parked. Just because I didn't want to hit nobody. And then a truck parked next to me. Of course. All I bought was just the steering wheel cover, but that's it. All the other shits for the car wheel. Thank you. Yeah, couldn't get nothing, but I've been driving more better with this car ever since I've been with Jerry now. It's like, I gotta show off. I gotta be like, I only stalled once, but that was just right here, but it's okay. No one knows about that. Pokemon in real life or what? Is that a Butterfree? That is a Butterfree.
Get out of my house, bro.
I'm trying to catch a Butterfree, bro. Oh, never mind. Huh? No, don't call. I'm trying to capture this Butterfree. This Butterfree just doesn't want to get captured. Let me see. Focus. Focus. There you go. There you go. And then there's some weird ass ants right here. Focus. There you go. Alright, Butterfree, I'll see you later.
Juegos aquí. ¿Quieres jugar?
You gonna get money? Con money? You gonna get that bank? Only a true Hispanic knows about this game. La lotería and all that bullshit. El Diablo del Tama, el Cartín? Yeah, Catrín. I don't know. Hey, my mom's gonna have the plug in here. Alright, Pikachu, we're about to take out all the money in here. Dude, this thing is heavy. This thing weighs a ton. Well, you guys can't tell, but I'm struggling.
Dude, Arcanines are easy to take out. We'll check it out again.
Jerry, where you at? You dark as hell, dude.
Bitch. They took out 3 Vaporeons and put into Arcanine.
But it's all good though. I had my gym for like 5 minutes. And then it's gone. I'm gonna get this nigga though. They're everywhere. So we caught a Ghastly in this building, and you guys know what ghost Pokemon actually mean in real life? It means Johnson. Not but like no bullshit though. I caught a Ghastly. Did you get a Ghastly? No, cause I got a Ghastly. 2% battery.
I think he's a janitor, bro.
Doesn't matter. We just got out of JB.
He's got a class, guys.
Just got out of
Hardest final.
finals was just fucking horrible, dude. That Ghastly though. But it's all good though, cause I got it, so I passed my finals. So the catch of the day for tonight was Bulbasaur.
Ghastly.
Bulbasaur.
You forgot about
We
it.
caught-
I forgot about the Ghastly.
Oh yeah, huh? Catch of the day, Bulbasaur, in front of. I was gonna say this when it came out. What was it though? In front of the science building, huh?
What, Bulbasaur?
Yeah,
There's the Coliseum.
in front of the Coliseum, and we caught. We still need to catch this nigga and this kid, and we already caught Pikachu, but we need more Pikachu so we can get a Raichu. And if we get a Raichu,
Raichu, I love some.
just watch Jerry and them, the Audis. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. Because I'm done catching Pokemon for today. So yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, watch videos, take a shower, catch Pokemon. Can you guys let me talk? Yeah? Cool. And that's it.